In this video, we are going to go over how to print a SyncTimes reporting page. I'll cover how to print on two different internet browsers, Google Chrome and Internet Explorer. We recommend sharing these reports during department meetings with clinical staff to go over cycle times for the patient and also productivity in the health center. First, we'll go over how to print using Google Chrome. If possible, we recommend using Google Chrome. It makes it much easier to print. So right now what we're looking at is the patient experience dashboard in Google Chrome. And in order to print here, you can do a couple things. One, you can hold down the control button and press P. Or what you can do is you can just right click and press print. One thing to mention here is if you right click over a graph, you won't get the print options. So you'll have to right click somewhere that's not directly over some sort of graph, and you'll get the print. That will load the print preview here, and all you'll need to do is make sure landscape is selected, color if you want to print in color, and then I also recommend making sure background graphics is checked, and that will allow all the color to come through when you print it. Select your printer and press print, and that's about it for printing in Google Chrome. Now let's go over to Internet Explorer. So this is the provider scheduling report in Internet Explorer. Just like with Google Chrome, right-click somewhere on the page that's not directly over some sort of graph. And instead of clicking print, click on Print Preview. Once here, you'll need to navigate to the settings icon at the top here. Make sure that landscape is selected and print background colors and images is selected, and then click OK. The other setting that you'll need to adjust is here, so where it says shrink to fit. I would recommend using 70%. That seems to work best for making sure everything fits onto one page. After that, click on the print icon here on the top left. Select the printer that you'd like to print from and click on print. That wraps up the how to print tutorial. If you're still having issues printing after watching this video, please email us or call us and we'll be able to help you get those printed off.